Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video talking about Midjourney and all its amazing qualities. So in this video, we're going to talk about camera angles and also lighting. So camera angles you can obviously put into Midjourney different angles that you want if you're looking to create a certain mood, certain scene. So let's jump into the video. So we'll start off how we always start off with our /imagine prompt. I'm going to use San Francisco from Disney's Big Hero 6 because I think it's quite cute, like animated sort of place. So I'm going to do San Francisco, and then I'm going to do bird's eye view. I'm then going to do San Francisco, and then I'm going to do street view as well. So let's see what Midjourney comes up with here when we put in those prompts. Amazing. Okay, so Midjourney has generated us some images. So if we have a look here, that looks pretty cool. So we've got bird's eye images of that. Love that. That's great. Nice and clear. And it also, that looks really fun as well. So that was our bird's eye view. And then we've also here got a street view, which is amazing. They've included the trams, which are iconic in San Francisco. So I think that's brilliant that they're included within this. And then you've got, the Tokyo style sort of buildings as well, which I think is awesome. So I really love those. Okay, so we can then change the lighting. So if we do San Francisco, and then if we do gloomy lighting, okay, let's do another one. Let's do San Francisco golden hour. So we all love that golden hour when we're trying to take pictures. That golden hour is just such a lovely lighting. It's so flattering in pictures and everything. So love that. Okay, and let's do should we do sunrise lighting, and let's see what Midjourney creates for us. Amazing. Okay, so let's have a look what Midjourney has done. So here we go. So this was our gloomy lighting, and I think they look fab. I love it how it looks wet, dark, but you've got the little bits of light popping up, got the trams. Brilliant. I think they are really great. Loving those. Okay, golden hour. See, let's have a look. Oh, see, it just looks so beautiful. That golden hue in all the pictures. It looks really, really gorgeous. Loving that. And then let's look at the sunrise. Oh, amazing and stuff. Yeah, love it. That looks so awesome. So just by putting in different lighting options, we're then generating that feel, that vibe for our picture that we really want. So this is also a really great prompt to use when you're trying to generate, that specific image from Midjourney. So I hope you guys found this tip useful. Thank you so much for watching our video. It means so much to us. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be awesome. And I will see you in the next video.